squirrel and the fish keep the house clean. Lily is a little girl. She has a small fish named Finn in a bowl. One day, Lily plays with her toys all over the floor. There are books, blocks, and crayons everywhere. Finn sees the mess and says, "Lily, don't make a mess. It's good to keep the house clean." Lily looks around and says, "You're right, Finn. I should clean up." Lily picks up her toys and puts everything back in its place. The room looks nice and tidy. Finn smiles and says, "Now the house is clean, and everyone is happy." Lily smiles too. "Keeping the house clean is a good thing," she says.